In this demonstration, we will import domains from a CSV file. To import domains from a CSV file, log into the MailAssure control panel. On the left menu, navigate to General and then Domains Overview. Click Add Domain. Select Import from CSV. Click Next. Drag and drop the CSV file into the Upload section of the dialog box or use Browse to navigate to its location on the local computer. Select Import. If any of the domains appear to be hosted with Microsoft 365, a prompt will be given which will either take you to configure Microsoft 365 Sync for the domain, or to continue adding the domain manually. A summary of the successful domain import is shown. Click Finish and configure mailboxes. After the domain is configured, modify your MX records in your domain provider's DNS settings to point to the correct MailAssure routes.